Hey everyone, welcome to Vegworks. Today we're making Jini Dosa. Now what is Jini Dosa? When a humble South Indian dosa travels to Mumbai and gets a makeover, that's what Jini Dosa is. It's a very famous street food from Mumbai. So let's see how it's made. So here I've taken the regular dosa batter made with rice and urad. But if you're looking for a gluten-free recipe, you could make the dosa batter with jowar and urad or the black lentils, skinless. I've uploaded the link in the description. You can check that out. You can make the batter that way and then proceed to serve as shown in this video. So let's start. So the tawa is hot. Let's make the dosa. We need to keep the flame a little low. After about 30 to 40 seconds, let's add in some butter, some Schezwan Chutney. You could use a store-bought one or you could make it yourself. I've shared the recipe in the description. We'll spread this up. Now let's add in some bhaji masala to give it the Mumbai touch. Some Sambhar powder, very little. Now we'll add in finely chopped cabbage, spring onions, capsicum, I'm going to add some grated cheese. I've taken mozzarella here. We'll just wait until this cheese starts melting. Let's roll it now. Now we need to make this into bite-sized pieces. So let's cut it. Now let's plate it and serve it when it's still hot. We'll top it with some more cheese. And some spring onions. Jini dosa is ready. You can serve it with a dip of your choice.